Mar de Peces, a Sea Full of Fish, is a long-year program involving a community of around 2,000 students, teachers and families. Our original idea was to eliminate plastics from the students' snacks. We started the activities with a litter cleanup at the beach to raise awareness of litter pollution. And after that, the school became a sea. So each child made a fish with recycled clothes, and now when they bring a plastic in their snacks, it ends up in the bank of fish of their class. Along the year we have also organized several activities. Families have created a bank of school smoke. We have organized workshops. Children, for instance, have prepared Christmas decorations, the feathers of the dove of peace, among others.